Welcome to my channel Storryo Hub. Today, we're diving into a story that will truly move you. Literally. Who discovered the laws of motion? Who changed the way we understand the universe forever? Stick around to find out how a curious apple, a brilliant mind, and relentless curiosity led to one of the greatest breakthroughs in science. Our story begins in the 17th century, during a time of immense scientific exploration. Amidst the chaos of a deadly plague, a young man named Isaac Newton found himself returning to his family home in Woolsthorpe, England. Little did anyone know that this temporary retreat from university life would lead to the discovery that shaped the future of physics. You've probably heard the tale. Newton saw an apple fall from a tree and suddenly understood gravity. But let's get real. It wasn't just the apple. That moment inspired Newton to think deeply about why objects fall and how they move. Why doesn't the apple fly upward? What keeps the moon in orbit? This apple sparked questions, and Newton's genius gave us the answers. In 1687, Newton published his groundbreaking book, Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy, often called the Principia. Within its pages were his 3 laws of motion, the foundation of modern physics. Let's break them down. First law, the law of inertia. An object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an external force. Translation: if you're sitting on the couch binge-watching Storryo Hub, you'll stay there, unless your mom tells you to get up and do the dishes. Second law, force and acceleration. The force acting on an object is equal to its mass times its acceleration, F equals ma. This explains why pushing a heavy shopping cart is way harder than pushing a light one. Force is all about how mass and speed work together. Third law, action and reaction. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Ever jumped off a boat and felt it drift backward? That's Newton's third law in action. Before Newton, people relied on Aristotle's outdated ideas, which didn't fully explain how the world worked. Newton's laws provided a universal framework that applied to everything, from the motion of planets to the swing of a pendulum. They became the language of science, enabling groundbreaking advancements in engineering, space exploration, and more. Newton wasn't just a scientist. He was a visionary who connected the dots between everyday